Hi guys, so this video is going to be another full face get ready with me. I'm attempting a video every single day in August, so welcome to August. This is my first video, I don't know, hopefully. Welcome to the month of August. Happy August 1st. Let's do this on the 1st of August. Happy August 1st. This is a Fontana Pharmacy sponsored video. Thank you so much to Fontana Pharmacy for sponsoring this video. What else? Don't forget about my classes in Tamarack, Florida. It's September 7th through to the 9th. All the information is on my website, LyricRochester.com. Unfortunately, today is the last day that you can get $100 off after today. So tomorrow on the 2nd of August, it will go to $595 instead of being currently now $495. So the $100 special, the $100 off special ends today, the 1st of August. So don't forget to check that out on my LyricRochester.com website. All my students will be getting goodie bags, and I don't know if by this time this video goes up the 10 slots will be filled, but we are also giving away free Dipped in Elegance homemade by LyricRochester to the very first 10 students. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to check out Puma Fitness. We are still doing pre-orders for the large belts. It's $75 for pre-order, but the original price is going to be $85. We're trying to make it a bit more affordable for you guys. Pre-order takes 2 to 4 weeks. We do ship from Jamaica. And don't forget to check out my LyricRochester International Instagram page as well. So that's it for this intro, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. The lashes I'm wearing are Rockstar mixed with Wifey. So Rockstar's at the bottom and Wifey's at the top. God, this a wife is for stay on the top. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, yes, that was lipstick on my teeth, but I'm just using this anchor pencil to do my brows, and I'm going to use two colors. I'm going to use this reddish pinkish color, then I'm going to use this black, and the black is going on the ends where my brows aren't, because I have brow hairs but it's really small and tiny and thin. So now I'm going to be using my deep highlight and contour concealer from LA Girl again. I'm going to be using the deep, and this is what I'm using to clean up my brows basically. So you know, I go underneath and then I go on top. Nothing much to see here, but of course I'm going to stay here a little bit. And all the brushes I'm using are from my Dipped in Elegance line, also available at Fontana Pharmacy. So now I'm using LA Pro Primer in white. It's a stick one. They have nude, black and white, and I'm using white just to put on my brow bone area. And of course, everything that I'm using is from Fontana Pharmacy. Then I'm going to blend out using that brush from the Dipped in Elegance line, grabbing my Your True shade Banana Rama, and this is what I'm going to be using to go on my brow bone. Now, the premise of this video is to show you guys my new glow combo, which I've been wearing by the time you see this video for weeks. I love it to bits and pieces. The only thing that's not from Fontana is this primer. This is the Becca primer, the matte poreless primer. So I'm just blending out my brows using my spoolie, again from the Dipped in Elegance that I know at Fontana. Grabbing my Sasha foundation in Perfect Spice, and then I'm going to work that in using this, it's like a fluffish brush from the Dipped in Elegance line. That I'm taking Warm Honey from LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is what I used to do my brows, that color, and I'm using that color again to help blend out the Warm Honey, which I didn't have to, but I just chose to. Then this is the deep again, so I'm using two deeps on the LA Girl. I'm using the cream and the powder, and I'm using that to do all my low lighting, what you guys call contouring. Back in with Banana Rama, and I'm going to be using this to set everywhere that I put my Warm Honey and the mixture, the lighter mixture. So 600 deep, medium deep, sorry, from Black Opal. This is my new powder. You guys know I've been using 700 deep, but when I went to Fontana they didn't have any 700 deep, so I'm using 600 medium deep. So now I'm just blending out my Banana Rama using the same brush that I used to do my foundation, to apply my powder. Then going back in with the powder to just blend everything together. This is translucent, again from Your True shade. It's just a white. It's just going to add a little bit more excuse me, coverage for me. Then I'm getting my black. This is the LA Pro Primer in black. Then this is MUA Essentials Parrot Gold that I'm using. That's my lip therapy. I love it to pieces. Inglot eyeshadows from Fontana as well. This is in the color 296. And I'm taking that on the white brush, the same brush that I used to blend out my brows. Then I'm going in with 382 again. I'm using my Inglot eyeshadows. And this color, I love it to bits. It's the 297. It's just $2.97. They have numbers, not the name of the colors. Then I'm using 300, that little butter scotch color. I'm sorry if you're hearing Jonathan in the background. Then I'm using 299 again, and this is what I've been using these eyeshadows for weeks, ever since I got them. I really love how they blend together. Yes, Jonathan? What? A sucum. Then I'm taking 298. Yes, Papa? You need help? Then I'm going back in with 297. That purple. So pull it. Okay. You need help? Then I'm going in with 382. What's hurting you? And this brush is the only brush I use to do my eyes, because as I said before, when I created this brush set, we didn't have anything as a glow brush. So the glow brush is what I'm using. I mean the crease brush is what I use to apply my glow, the Dual Fiber crease brush. So now this is Rockstar, is it Rockstar or Stiletto? Yeah, Sucum. This is Stiletto, I believe, mixed with Wifey, or is it Rockstar mixed with... Oh, it's Rockstar mixed with Wifey. And I'm using my lash glue to just apply that. Then I'm using the same brush I used to apply my powder to just dust away that translucent powder from your true shade. This is my glow combo that I've been using. I love it to bits and pieces. Oh gosh, I forgot the name, but it's just, I chose the one that would go best for my skin color, you know. I love using the lighter side, which is what I am using now, and I love using the darker side. The darker side is also quite cool. I love how it came out. I love how it looks, and this glow combination allows my glow to remain dewy. I almost said moist. And so come Jonathan. But it allows it to remain dewy. You have to put your socks, fix your socks, pull up your socks some more. It allows it to remain dewy. It don't look like it's sitting on your skin and it's just there. It makes it look like it's infused in the skin. And with the right setting spray or finishing spray, it will just melt right into your skin. So I'm applying my... Very good, Papito. So I'm applying this everywhere where I would apply my glow, and I'm not editing this part out because I want you guys to see the full process, because this is the premise of the video. This is my Inglot number 3 sparkling dust. This is the premise of the video, to show you guys my new glow combo, and of course to do a nice drugstore Soleil. This look I've been wearing for a hot minute. It's my go-to look recently, mostly because I just have these stuff laid down on the area where I do my makeup. I just have them put on. So oh my gosh, look at that. Look at how, I mean, in and of itself, the sparkling dust is big. You know what I mean? Yes, Papa? Wrong foot. Wrong foot. The sparkling dust is big in and of itself. But when you put these two together, and I'm using the same brush. All these brushes I'm using are from the Dipped in Elegance line. Now, the brushes I used to apply my foundation, I'm not a fan of it. But I'm showing you guys how you can use it if this is the only brush set that you have. So now I'm going back in with 382. And this is what I'll be using to do my blush. And I've been using eyeshadows to do my blush for a hot minute. Even on my clients, I use eyeshadows to do blush, because sometimes I can't find the color that I want and it's in an eyeshadow. This is the makeup fixer from Inglot. It is absolutely gorgeous. It makes my makeup last for the entire day. I'd love to say it's matte, because that's the only way I can describe it lasting long, is just it being matte. This is my 444 lipstick from Inglot, along with my Oh So Red from Your True Shade. The Oh So Red, what you call them? Matte lippy from Your True Shade. So this is the look, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Thank you so much for staying through to the end of the video. Don't forget to follow LyricRochester International on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and comment, and also put in the description box, in the comment section, what you'd like to see for this month of August. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.